What is up, guys? Sophie here with another hair tutorial. Long time, right? I got some stuff right here. Let's handle that. And this is crochet, y'all, believe it or not. So it goes by a lot faster than regular braids. And so they are super cute, and you don't even have to dip them because I burnt myself in the last video. In any case, if you guys want to know how to get this hair, then stay tuned.
Dedication, preservation, take a look inside your salvation. Do every good work, it takes patience, like a butterfly, transformation.
So, the first thing, I parted my hair into top and bottom, and we're gonna part them in squares. So let's get doing that. That I use will be listed in the description box, including the hair. And this is some crochet hair, and the hair actually did come with a crochet needle. So let's put it under. You're gonna want to take one side, fluff it out a bit, taking a little bit of Eco Styler gel to put on my natural hair. And because you kind of want the rubber band to be covered, just twirl it around the base a few times. Right, so I think you pretty much get the picture. I'm gonna do most of it off camera because it's just the same thing over and over and over again. You're just gonna do the same thing for each one of your squares. My squares are probably like 1.5 inch squares, and then just do that for all of them, and then we shall be back. Okay, so this is the last one, and I have actually been doubling these up. I know the last time you saw it, these were looking thin, but I went back and doubled them up just because I wanted to. And so the link in the description box has all the packs that you need. I forget how many packs comes in it, but doubling them up, I still have 2 packs left. So as I've been doing this, just frizz this out just so that they stay more. I'm not dipping them in hot water or anything. They're just gonna stay as is, especially as you like, you know, frizz them out. So. I'm gonna add jewelry to these, but not tonight because I'm tired. As you can tell, this is the next day, and I got this little set from Amazon. Like, it has all these things in it, and I'll link that down in the description box, but we just gonna add a little joy to our stuff. Because y'all know I have to be real extra. We gonna add some string to this piece. All right, this is me and my excessive nature. All of this stuff on my head. Yeah, I know how it goes. Something fell out, y'all. See, doing too much. And so the last thing we're gonna do is tame the edges. All right, guys, this is the final product. I know, y'all know I be doing the most. Can't help myself, have to have a whole bunch of stuff on there. But that's about it. All the products will be listed in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys another day, another time. Bye.